Hey everyone. I'm on here because I just got woke up by straight line winds, and it's like 1:27 in the morning, and I missed some of it, but you can see as I go back in time about a few minutes, you can see that there's straight line winds right here. And when I go back farther, you can see the straight line winds from right here into Jonesboro, or I'm at right here on the bottom part of Jonesboro. Or actually, I'm right here, but the bottom part of Jonesboro here, where Bay and Truman is, that's where the straight line winds first started out right here. Oops, the radar just rescanned. And you can see, ooh, the winds got even stronger. It's at 45 miles per hour right here by Dice. In Dice, there's 45 mile per hour winds. They need to put this under a thunderstorm warning right now. When I put it on this setting, you can see there's a lot of cells in this storm, especially here in Marjorie. You can see it. Where Black Oak is, there should be some wind. And what's cool is, I never seen this on radar, but there is you can see where the wind is pushing the rain out of this storm, and you can see when it gets stronger as let me go where the wind first start blowing at. You see it starts disappearing, that lighter green right here. Oops. Whoa, okay, I don't know why it glitches like that, but you see where Harrisburg is. Now watch, when I go forward, it starts to get, the wind starts to go out from the storm. That means that the wind is blowing so hard in this area right here that it pushes the rain out of it. Now, I don't know how that happens. I never seen this before. I don't know if this is just a radar failure or it actually happened or what, but yeah. But you can see where the storm first is right here. That's before the wind hit. Actually, is this where the wind hit? Because wait, hold on. It skipped me out of it. Okay, I'm right here. The wind is already gone. Alright, I'll go back to... Okay, the wind. That's when the wind first hit. It's right here. It first, I guess it first started over here in... Hold on, my radar is like glitching right now because I only got a few bars of service. I think the wind first started up here in Jonesboro and where the Herman community is right here in Bono. I think it first started there, and then it just worked its way up, and then when it hit in my area where the station is, that's when it started to get bigger and bigger and bigger. But yeah, there's no good thing though, there's no rotations, but wow, you can see the straight line winds as it's getting closer to the radar. This is wicked, but cool at the same time. But I'll show y'all a hour by hour thing on my other radar and see if there's any more storms that comes in later on this morning. Alright, here's the other map. And as you can see, there's the wind and everything. Let me get to a part where it looks better, because some reason this one looks kind of scruffy looking. I guess because how the radar is, because I'm used to the other one. Alright, let's see if there's any more storms that comes in. What is that? Oh, it's a flash flood warning. Okay. That's not in our area though, thank God. I don't think. No, it's not in our area. It's not in the Region 9 area. this system moves out, and looks like we just get rain. Maybe a few more little cells like we had just a few minutes ago, but I don't think it's anymore. But I'll let y'all know if there's any more happening and stuff, like straight line winds or any warnings come out. I'll let y'all know. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see y'all in the next video when there's another warning pops out.